Well, the only reason I got this cheap Jeep so cheap, because I mean it's got some cosmetic issues, but it's mainly because the guy broke the bolt of the caliper on this side into the knuckle, and he got fed up with it. So we're going to take this wheel off and see what the damage really is. Now when you jack a cheap Jeep up, make sure that you're jacking it up on the uniframe part. You don't want to bend anything. And you're going to need 19mm sockets to take that tire off there. And of course, always use jack stands for safety. You're going to use a 19mm. Oh, look, it's missing one. I guess on a cheap Jeep, you just don't put all the bolts back on. So we're going to take it off. I guess you don't put them tight either. All right, we got the wheel off. As you can see, the rust on here, this hasn't been used in a while. And look, he's got the caliper tied up here. And there's the culprit right there. It looks like he's done most of the work. Like he started to drill it out. So I'm gonna see if I can drill the rest of it out. All right, I think my strategy is gonna take this off, and then I'm going to go at it from this end. It'll be much easier to go this way than back this way. And you need lots of this stuff when you're working on cheap Jeeps. All right, you got to remove this cotter pin and take this little nut cap off. Actually, I didn't even have to take that off. I don't know why I did it. I wasn't thinking, but that's where we need to get. All right, I got it drilled out. Now I just need to get this extra stuff out and retap it. And now I can screw the remnants out. There it is. I'll just run a tap through there and it should be fine. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure my threads. And threads, if you can see it, this metric, and it's hard to see, but it's 1.25. It's that one right here. First thing I'm going to do is run it through these good threads on the top one. This is the one that needs to be retapped, but just cleaning these threads out. When it comes out the other end, it should be fine. This little tap and die set's from Harbor Freight. It's not too bad. Use it all the time on cheap Jeeps. So now this one is all cleaned out. This one's all the way through, so we know that one's good. I'm going to put a little lubricant in it. And then start your tapping. Now once you have it tapped out, spray a little brake cleaner on it. Clean those threads out nice and good. Now the bolt should go right in it. Look at there. That's how you buy a cheap Jeep for cheap.